Life, in its purest essence, is a constant flow of signs and synchronicities. Have you ever stopped to reflect on the messages that the universe is sending you? These messages, often subtle, can transform the course of your journey, but are you paying attention to them? The angels, in their infinite wisdom, communicate through small details, like the gleam of a star in the night sky or the gentle whisper of the breeze on a sunny day. Imagine yourself walking through a peaceful park, while the leaves dance in the wind. You feel the vibrant energy of nature all around you. In the midst of your everyday life, there is a light that seems to flicker in your direction, or perhaps you spot a white feather floating gently, as if being guided by invisible hands. These small moments are invitations from the divine, reminding you that you are never alone. Spiritual connection is present in the simplest situations, and it's time to open your heart to these revelations. Many people, in moments of doubt, report feeling a light breeze caressing their face, as if an angel were by their side, offering comfort and guidance. This is a powerful sign. The angels are constantly around you, ready to assist when you allow yourself to perceive their presence. Have you ever wondered what these manifestations may mean in your life? What are they trying to tell you? It's essential to give yourself space to listen to these messages. And this brings us to an intriguing question. What have you been doing to connect with these subtle energies? Sometimes, a simple ritual can amplify this connection. How about lighting a candle at dusk, allowing its light to illuminate your intentions? Or perhaps placing your hand on your heart and repeating out loud, "I am worthy of the light that surrounds me"? These practices can open doors to a deeper communication with spiritual guides. As you ponder these questions, know that the journey of self-discovery is unique to each of us. You have a singular purpose, and by paying attention to divine signs, you begin to unveil layers of your own essence. The angels are here, waiting for you to take the first step. And in doing so, new possibilities will unfold before you. But what else do the angels have in store for you at this moment? That will be revealed in the upcoming moments, as we continue to explore the depths of this divine connection. Get ready, because there is so much more to discover. Amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to lose sight of the divine whispers echoing around us. The modern life, with its demands and distractions, often hinders us from recognizing the constant presence of something greater. When you allow yourself a moment of pause and take a deep breath, you feel the gentle breeze caressing your face and perhaps even a sense of embrace around you. That, my dear, is the divine call that is always present, waiting for your attention. Have you ever thought about how God communicates with us? It's not just the big revelations or epiphany moments that show us the way. Often, it's in the small things that we find the most powerful signs. An unexpected conversation, a song that touches your heart, or even an image that appears before your eyes. Each of these moments can be a message from the angels, an invitation for you to take a closer look at your life and your choices. Imagine walking through a park, surrounded by the beauty of flowers and the songs of birds. This is the magic of everyday life, where if we pay attention, we can find the messages that God sends to us. You may wonder, how can I recognize these signs? The answer lies in your willingness to listen and feel. Sometimes, all we need is a moment of silence, a space to connect with our essence and open our hearts to heavenly guidance. As you reflect on this, consider your own experiences. Have you ever had the feeling that something was about to happen, but you didn't know exactly what? Moments like these are often accompanied by a strong intuition, an inner calling that begs to be heard. The angels are always by your side, guiding and protecting, but it is you who must take the first step towards this connection. So why not light a candle while reflecting on your intentions? This small ritual can create a sacred space for the divine light to enter your life. And thus arises a powerful question. What are you ready to let go of, to make room for the new? Often, we cling to old patterns, to beliefs that no longer serve us, and this can prevent us from hearing God's voice. Releasing is an essential step for transformation. Think of the last time you felt light, as if you were floating, and how that connected to a moment of clarity in your life. In considering all of this, remember that the angels are always at work in your life, even when we can't see them. They bring love, light, and hope. A story that may touch your heart is that of a person who, in a moment of deep sadness, found a white feather fallen on their path. Upon picking it up, they felt a wave of comfort and protection. That simple feather became a symbol that they were not alone and that the angels were watching over them. Now, as you allow yourself to reflect on these messages, there is something else the angels want you to know. They are ready to offer you the support you need. But for that, it is essential that you listen and open up. Are you willing to take that step? What might the angels be trying to show you through your daily experiences? These are questions that, when answered, can open doors to a new phase in your journey. As you delve deeper into this reflection, remember that each day is a new opportunity to reconnect with your inner light. You have a unique purpose in this world, and the angels are here to help you discover it. Do not underestimate the power of your intuition. It is the channel through which divine messages flow. And as you ponder all of this, know that the next revelation will be even deeper. Prepare yourself to discover how this divine connection can transform your life in ways you never imagined. Challenges arise in our lives like thick clouds that obscure the sunlight. Have you ever felt this way, as if you were lost amidst emotional storms? These moments of uncertainty can breed anxiety and doubt, but they are also precious opportunities to find your inner strength. What you may not realize is that, in these instances, the angels are more present than ever, ready to guide you towards the light that has always been within you. When we face difficulties, it is common to feel alone, navigating rough seas without a map. However, I want you to know that this feeling is temporary. The clouds eventually dissipate, and when they do, the vibrant colors of your life begin to shine once more. Imagine yourself as a flower that, even in the darkness of winter, holds the promise of rebirth in spring. Challenges are just a part of the natural cycle of life, and each one brings with it a valuable lesson. Have you ever found yourself reflecting on how adversity has shaped who you are today? Many people, in moments of struggle, discover a strength they never knew they had. Think back to a time when, despite fear and uncertainty, you took a courageous step. That memory is a flame that can be reignited at any moment. When facing difficulties, allow the light of angels to illuminate your path. They are here, offering support and encouragement, whispering that you are stronger than you realize. And as you consider this strength, what can you do to embrace the challenges that life presents to you? A simple ritual could be lighting a candle in a quiet space, letting the light symbolize your determination to face what is to come. As the flame dances around you, visualize each challenge as an opportunity for growth. Ask yourself, what is this moment teaching me? How can I use this experience to strengthen myself? It's curious how, amid uncertainty, we can find clarity. Have you ever noticed how, by allowing yourself to feel the emotions that arise, like sadness or frustration, you begin to release the weight you carry? This release is the first step towards transformation. The angels are here to remind you that it is perfectly normal to feel. They don't expect you to always be strong. They want you to know that you are human, that each tear is an expression of your soul, and each laugh is a testament to your resilience. While you ponder on this, ask yourself, what are the angels trying to show me through my difficulties? This question can open doors to new perspectives. Often, it's in the shadows that we find the greatest truths about ourselves. What if you allowed these truths to guide you, instead of letting fear paralyze you? As you look ahead, remember that every challenge brings with it the possibility of rebirth. You are a warrior, and the angels are by your side, cheering for your victories. When you face the next difficulty, take a deep breath and feel their energy surrounding you, offering protection and strength. And so, as you prepare to confront what lies ahead, know that the next stage of your journey is full of new discoveries. The angels have powerful messages for you, and they are about to be revealed. Be ready to receive the light that will illuminate your path, and remember, you are never alone. In moments of struggle, when life seems like a maze with no way out, the light of the angels shines brightly, offering guidance and hope. Have you ever stopped to reflect on how divine signals manifest in your everyday life? Sometimes they can appear in subtle ways, like a song playing on the radio at the exact moment you need to hear those words, or even a gentle breeze that seems to caress your soul, bringing the feeling that you are not alone. Imagine yourself walking through a park, watching the leaves dance in the wind, and a thought arises, am I truly ready to receive help from above? This question is profound and valid. The angels, with their celestial energy, are always around you, ready to guide you, but it is necessary to open your heart and allow that connection to strengthen. When faced with emotional challenges, it's easy to feel lost, but it is precisely in those moments that the angels whisper messages of hope. They want you to know that every difficulty carries the seed of transformation. You are a warrior, and the battle you are facing now is just a part of the journey. By connecting with this divine energy, you can turn pain into learning and discouragement into strength. Many people share experiences in which, during their darkest periods, they found a sign that seemed to guide them towards a new path. A friend of mine, in a moment of deep sadness, came across a white feather on the ground. As they picked it up, they felt engulfed by a wave of warmth and peace. It was as if the angels were saying, "We are here, supporting you." This experience inspired them to seek help, and from there, their life began to change for the better. And this brings us to an important reflection. How can you open yourself up to receive these messages? A simple ritual could be lighting a candle while reflecting on your intentions. Let the light illuminate your space and, more importantly, your soul. By doing this, you are creating an invitation for the angels to come closer and share their guidance. The signs can take various forms. Have you ever noticed how certain numbers appear repeatedly in your life? These are often considered angelic messengers. They could be a confirmation that you are on the right path or a reminder to pay attention to something that needs your focus. At this very moment, the angels are by your side, awaiting your response. They want you to acknowledge your inner strength and the magic that resides within you. How does it feel to know that this connection is possible? Allow yourself to explore the sensation, and as you reflect on it, understand that the next message the angels have for you may be even more enlightening. With each breath, you are getting closer to your truth. When facing your struggles, remember that the angels are here to guide you, and hope is a light that never goes out. You are not alone on this journey. What they want you to know now is that every step you take towards the light is a testament to your courage and resilience. And when you're ready, remember, true transformation starts from the inside out. How about crafting a powerful affirmation right now? Something that resonates with your essence and reminds you of your strength. By doing this, you're creating space for angelic energy to flow into your life, bringing not just hope, but a new chapter of love and overcoming. In a world full of uncertainties, where each day may seem like a maze with no way out, there is a sparkle in the darkness that can guide you. It's the light of the angels, a subtle yet powerful presence that reminds us that we are never alone. Have you ever stopped to think about how many times divine signs have manifested in your life in unexpected ways? Stories of transformation, resilience, and faith can be the lighthouse illuminating your path. Imagine a woman who, after years of emotional challenges, decided it was time to seek answers. She was tired of feeling trapped in a cycle of doubts and fears. One day, while walking in a park, she spotted a white feather floating gently in the air. As she picked it up, she felt a wave of warmth and tranquility. At that moment, a certainty filled her. The angels were by her side, guiding her towards a new beginning. This simple yet powerful experience transformed her life and helped her rediscover her inner strength. This story is not just about a physical sign. It's about the spiritual connection we can all nurture. Have you noticed how small details of life can become profound messages? A song that touches your heart, a phrase that resonates in your mind, or even an unexpected encounter with someone who brings valuable teachings. These moments are invitations from the angels for you to look within yourself and acknowledge your own light. Remember, every transformation starts with a small step. Listening to someone's story of overcoming challenges opens up the possibility that you too can conquer yours. Once, a friend shared how, after a period of mourning, they found solace in creating a gratitude journal. With every word written, they felt angels surrounding them, helping to reshape their view of life. This simple practice became a bridge to new opportunities and meaningful relationships. And this brings us to a powerful reflection. What is your own transformation story? What signs have you already received throughout your life that guided you in times of uncertainty? The angels are always around you, ready to light your path. They want you to know that faith can be nurtured in the little things of everyday life. Do you allow yourself to notice these moments? As you ponder on this, know that the answer lies within you. Write a powerful affirmation that resonates with your journey. Something as straightforward as, "I am capable of turning my pain into strength." In doing so, you connect with the celestial energy that surrounds you, opening up to new possibilities. And with these reflections, Get ready to discover how the angels have a special message for you. They are waiting for you to take the next step, to open your heart to the opportunities that lie ahead. Are you ready to receive this guidance? The transformation you seek begins now.